Hello, everyone. How is everybody doing today? All my beloveds, how are you all doing? My name is Joyce McTeer, and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today to make a coral shell spiral ring. Okay, so here are the items that you are going to need for this DIY, ladies and gentlemen. You're going to need a coral shell. You're going to need some 20 gauge wire, some 12 gauge aluminum wire, a ruler. You're going to need flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and wire cutters. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get right into this. I have already cut my pieces, but you're still going to need your ruler. Okay, so I've already cut my pieces. I've cut 1 foot, 12 inches of my aluminum wire. I've also cut about 15 inches of my 20 gauge wire. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a loop at the bottom of my wire, and we're just going to make some spirals. Okay, so if you have some nylon pliers, you can also use the nylon pliers. But y'all know, those of you who have been following me for a while know that I do not use nylon pliers. I use my fingers because the grip, me trying to grip with those nylon pliers, they just don't work for me, y'all. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this down till I get to, until I have about 6 inches left. Okay, so let's just check and see if I have 6 inches. So let's see. I'm gonna go down a little bit more. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Actually, I gotta let a little bit out. Okay, so this should be 6 inches. So where you're gonna measure it, you're gonna measure it right here. You're gonna measure it right there. Okay, kind of sort of like right at the tail end of it, and you want 6 inches left over. Okay, so that's basically what we have. 6 inches left over. Okay, so don't wind it all too far down. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your 20 gauge wire, and you're going to take your finger. You can put it in the front, behind, it really doesn't really matter, but I'm going to take my piece and put it in the front, and I'm going to place it right here. You want to try to go up as far as you can. Okay, and I'm going to start wrapping it around. Now I'm going to start off, I'm going to wrap it 5 times. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay, 5 times. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to take this piece here, since it's extra, push it up as close as I can get it. Sometimes you may have to use your round nose pliers to just squeeze that up, pinch it over like this, and we're going to snip off that extra piece right here with our wire cutters. Snip that piece off just like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and just go in just to squeeze that down in there to make sure nothing is sticking. Push that up. Okay, and the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to start wrapping this around, kind of sort of making some big wraps. So we're going to have, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm only going to do 6. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my coral shell right here. I went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stopped here, which is like 5.5, 6. And I'm going to place my coral shell just like this on top of your wire, on top of the wire, aluminum wire. I'm going to take this part of my wire, and I'm going to place that in between my coral shell. Now this is the problem that you may have a hard time with getting. But once you get it in there, you got it. So you want to bring it up okay? And you want to make sure that it's down in between your coral shell, okay? Squeeze it as much as you can. Now what you want to do is you want to wrap it. So you want to do like 2 wraps, one wrap, and then 2, okay? Then you want to go back up to the top of it from the back. So you're going to roll it from the back, bring it back around and back again, okay? It's in there. It is definitely not moving. It is not going to come out of there, okay? Then you want to wrap it 2 more times. So that's 1 and 2, okay? So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make some more of, see these little wraps right here? We're going to make some more of those. So we want to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so we did 20. All right, so this is pretty much what our ring is looking like. Okay. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to snip this off right here with our wire cutters. And we're going to take our flat nose pliers once again and go in and squeeze that down to make sure that nothing is sticking. Okay, then I'm going to make a loop just like this at the bottom. Okay, just a little loop. All right, so basically what I'm going to do next is I'm going to wrap this just like this. I'm going to bring my shell in just like that. I'm going to start making a loop because this is going to be an adjustable ring, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to bring this piece just like this piece like that, this piece like this, and if you want to, you can bring this piece just like that. Okay, now this is an adjustable ring, so you want to make it fit your finger. Okay, and you can sell this. Look, look at this. This is gorgeous. So let me show you. When you put your finger in there, okay, now you got to be careful with this. I don't know if you see that piece sticking out. All you want to do is take your wire cutters, come and snip that right off. See how quick that was? You snip that off. You smash this down. You don't want anyone getting hurt when you make your jewelry. You want to make sure that nothing is sticking or anything. And let's try this on and see how gorgeous it is. Yes, this is gorgeous. Look at that. That's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Another ring that you have created. And I'm going to tell you something else. If you want to, you can put another coral shell right here, but you can also wear this ring another way. So you can bring it and you can wear it like this. And look how gorgeous this is. So there's 2 different ways that you can wear this gorgeous ring. Look at that. It's different. And nobody has anything made like this because you have created it. Okay? So this concludes my DIY for the coral shell ring. And I want to thank y'all for watching. And this is a, this is a pretty much a one size fit all. It will fit anybody's finger. And let me tell you, if you put it on your middle finger, it'll fit your middle finger as well. And the thing that I like that I do with my rings is they are adjustable. So you can get it and you can fit it so that it can snug your finger, okay? So here it is, y'all. So I want to thank y'all for watching. For those of you who are new to this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button that is on the side. Y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. I got more DIYs coming your way. All right. Have a wonderful and awesome evening, everyone. Peace and blessings. Until the next one. See ya.